everyone. For a geometric sequence with the common ratio as a real number, we have the sum of the first 5 terms is 1. The sum of the first 10 terms is 33. We're going to find the sum of the first 15 terms. All right. So what we have to do is find r in our first terms. So we can use this formula here and find s sub 15. Therefore, let's look at s sub 5 equals 1. That means if I use this formula, my first term, and my n is 5. So that's r to the power of 5 minus 1 divided by r minus 1 equals 1. And then for s sub 10, which equals 33, that would mean it's a times r to the power of 10 minus 1, all divided by r minus 1 equals 33. Now we can call this equation 1, this equation 2, and what we want to do is take equation 2 divided by equation 1. And as you notice, the a's are going to cancel out. So basically also these two will cancel out. So basically we're just going to have r to the power of 10 minus 1 divided by r to the power of 5 minus 1. And then 33 divided by 1 is 33. All right, this one right here is the difference of squares. So I can write this as r to the power of 5 minus 1 times r to the power of 5 plus 1 divided by r to the power of 5 minus 1 equals 33. All right, so what happens is these two cancel, and you're going to have r to the power of 5 plus 1 equals 33, or r to the 5th power equals 32. So r is going to equal 2, because 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So basically r is just going to be 2. Let me just write it like that. This is 2 to the power of 5. All right. Since r is 2 and r is a real number, we're going to substitute in our 2 back into one of these equations. Let's substitute it back into 1. If I substitute r back into 1, I get a times 2 to the power of 5 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. And this equals 1. So this is just going to be 1. So we're going to get a times 2 to the, this is going to be a equals 1 divided by 32 minus 1. So this is going to give me 1 divided by 31. That is your a. So we have our r. Let's put these in white. This is your r, and this is your a. Now we can find our sum. So our sum, and our a was 1 divided by 31. Our r is 2. So using this formula again, we're going to get 1 divided by 31 times 2 to the power of 15. That's your n, minus 1, all divided by 2 minus 1. And this just simplifies to 1 divided by 31 times 2 to the power of 15 minus 1. And we can leave the answer like this. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.